What's up guys? Welcome to Picture Launch. My name is Manny and I'm back with another video on a review. Today I'm going to review this Joyaccess wireless keyboard and mouse. These are rechargeable, so it takes up to 2 hours as per the manufacturer, 2 hours to recharge these devices, and then you're good to go for another 60 days. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. So here we have a keyboard. So on this side, this is the port where we are going to use the cable they have provided to recharge the keyboard. And this is the cable they have given to recharge the keyboard and the mouse. Okay, so here is the mouse, pretty light, and under this mouse here is the nano adapter. So this part goes inside the USB port on your PC or laptop, and there's a button on the mouse that you can use to turn it on and turn it off. Okay, so I have so many cables going under inside my PC. So there is one port that I'm gonna use to insert this nano adapter, USB nano adapter. So when I inserted the USB nano adapter, as you can see, it's setting up the device. Let's give it a few minutes. Yep, it has come up. I can see the light on the keyboard. I'm not sure if you are able to see that red light. Yep, it's there. So that means the keyboard is working now. Let me do a quick check. Yeah, I can switch between the windows. Okay guys, after charging the mouse for almost about 10 minutes, I reconnected it. I reconnected the USB nano adapter, and then I clicked on the this button here, this button, and it started working now. I hope you can see the cursor moving. So the test is successful. Thank you for watching my video guys. I hope you liked my video. In case you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put those in the comment section.